west for each parking spot.
I see, okay.
You know where I wait? That one, that's for 4, the other 4 just for new one. And also that one.
Happy St. Patrick's Day, Monique.
Happy St. Patrick's Day. It's super interesting looking at pre-builds, whether it's the building format or individual houses. It's different here in Madeira. Obviously, they have different construction material, and it's really nice looking at how they do the finishes in different places. We are in Madeira Acqua looking at the 3-bedroom model suite. We're checking out all of Madeira Acqua. It's pretty much sold. There's some for resale already, and it's looking to be ready around January, February 2024. So we're still in our hard hats and we're doing a bit of a tour. We will take you along. Let's check out the master suite. So you walk in and there's closets. Master bath. It's very nice. The finishings look really well done. I like that there's air conditioning in the rooms. In the summer, that's super important. The built-in's quite nice. It's a cute view, Cabo Geral, and some mountain view. Ocean Cabo Praia Mountain. It meets all the requirements. We are heading inside this amazing new build. It's modern, it's lovely. It is situated in the Arco da Calheta, which is between 2 arcs where it's sunny and beautiful all year long. Come on in, let's go check it out. So this property should be finished in about a month, and it is currently for sale. The location is stellar. It's an arc and it's pretty much right in the middle, so full sun, blocked on both sides from wind. I'm standing in front of what's going to be the master bedroom. So if you can imagine the bed coming out this way, and these would be windows, and this is your own private deck as you walk out from the master bedroom. When you go around the corner, you're going to see a beautiful triangle pool and an amazing outdoor space. So now I'm standing in front of what is going to be the pool. It's going to be surrounded by a glass fence with enough space for just 2 chairs out to overlook the ocean. On my left is going to be an outside fireplace along with a social bathroom and a shower. There's 2 large areas for garden with bedrooms coming off the sides with sliding doors as well. And the interesting part of this house is this beautiful outdoor shower that they have. And for your guests, or even when you're here and you're enjoying the outdoors, they've put a little tiny bathroom here with just a toilet and a sink, but again, attention to detail with beautiful marble at the back. And there's so much room out here to set up a table and entertain. This is the main living room here, and this will be one of the bedrooms.
So this is your own huge big balcony. You have a guest bedroom here and the other entrances are around the corner. You have the master bedroom coming from its own balcony over here, its own private terrace. And you have the entrance to your living room with the big sliding doors here. What a space this is. The highlight of this space is the kitchen with its own natural skylight over top, just giving you such beautiful natural light. And when you turn around, you just see nothing but the ocean and your pool here. But the main highlight here is the bathroom. This master bedroom bathroom is all tile and has an amazing skylight over a huge triangular shaped shower. You almost feel like you're outside.
One of our favorite things about this build is that the builder has a huge attention to detail. So this property should be finished in about a month, and it is currently for sale. The price of this property is $900K.
If you're interested in this property or a property like this, send us an email. We'll put you in contact with our real estate agent and you can come have a look for yourself. This could be your new home.
The last place we're going to show you is in beautiful Calheta, still in a place called Loreto. This is an almost finished villa. It is absolutely beautiful. We are outside next to the outdoor shower. There's a pool and a space that you can put faux turf or grass or a garden even. Now this place is sold, and it's important to note that here in Madeira, if you buy a place pre-construction or in process of construction, the prices are lower. The guy who bought this paid $800K. It is now worth, probably in this almost finished state, about 1.5 already. That is because the price has gone up as the house becomes finished. But it is absolutely beautiful. It's a 3-bedroom, and each bedroom again has its own bathroom and shower, big kitchen, and it's all modern and a gorgeous pool. Can you imagine every morning waking up right here with the beautiful ocean in front of you?
This is the kitchen. You come in from the main entrance here. Beautiful, big, wide open space. But of course, the view is the cellar. Look at your view from your living area, from your kitchen, out over an infinity pool overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. It's hard to imagine that you could have bought this for $800,000. Then we have a beautiful hallway, a social bathroom, and this hallway leads to all the bedrooms. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and the master suite. Huge tile bathroom with a walk-in shower. Wow. Walk-in closet. And then of course we have our view out into the ocean. That was a lot of work. I'm supposed to be retired and we're running all over the place looking at these new builds. Would you buy it? Which one would you buy? Of the 3, which one did you like best? Please let us know in the comments down below which one you liked best and why. We're actually really interested to hear what others think about the different types of pre-builts here on Madeira.
We really enjoyed looking at all 3 of these properties. Madeira Acqua has different price points, so that's something that could be accessible. And also space-wise, if you are downsizing or downshifting like we have, we're not looking for a huge property, but we do know that some of our subscribers who come to Madeira are actually looking for a bigger property. So the other 2 options would be really good. However, I think the 3rd one's sold already. So that one's gone, but there'll be more.
There's others like it.
We hope that you also enjoyed seeing a little bit outside of Funchal in Calheta and the Arco da Calheta. It's absolutely worth considering if you're thinking of purchasing outside of Funchal in somewhere like Calheta. They have so many more options.
If you are interested in anything like that, just let us know at our email address. We can hook you up with our realtors. They are absolutely fantastic. The feedback we're getting is everybody just loves them. For now, it's St. Patrick's Day and we're off to have a pint of Guinness at our favorite Irish pub. So as always, check back in and
track us down.